Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNNLive. We're at the 25th Annual ROTH Conference at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Laguna Beach, California. I have with me Chris Lahiji of LD Micro, a private company. Chris, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley.
So you're at ROTH. You're meeting a lot of companies. I go to you for a thumbnail sketch of what's going in the MicroCap market. So why don't you tell me what you think is going on?
ROTH is the Super Bowl event of the year for our business. This is the one event that you want to see and be seen, and I'm really honored to be here. There's around 400 companies that are going to be presenting over the next 3 days. We will probably meet between anywhere 50 to 80 of them. And for me, this is all about consensus building. This is being updated on stories, and this is also getting the opportunity of meeting companies that you really don't know much about.
What's your philosophy on what you look for in a company when you come to a conference?
For us, I mean, there's a lot of people that come here for value. There's a lot of people here that come for growth. And there's a lot of people who ultimately come to see something they don't know anything about. For us, it's mostly valuation. So if we think we're getting a nice discount to what we think the business is worth, obviously we're interested in. And if there's a company that we think is going to grow faster than what our counterparts think, we're also interested in that as well.
So you're a smart buyer. That's basically...
It all depends. Like, I've gone from zero to hero in this business so many times that the moment people start patting me on the back is also the same moment that nobody wants to talk to me. So markets can take and markets can give. My basis, though, is the last 3 years have been good, but that gives you no guarantee that the next three will be as prosperous.
So as a value investor, that doesn't necessarily make you a contrarian also.
No. Every company is on a case-by-case basis. And let me be straight and to the point. There's a lot of companies that we ultimately miss that do great things. We're just trying to focus on things that hit our parameters in terms of valuation, in terms of business, in terms of insider ownership, in terms of institutional ownership. So this is why you come to an event such as ROTH to ultimately say, okay, where do we go from here?
Is there one sector over another that you may have more interest in than another?
I think beaten down technology is an area that we're really focusing on. A lot of companies have been discarded in this space that are trading at 52-week lows that actually have visibility in their business lines, that think they can get to cash flow positive, profitable in the next year or two. That's something that we will look at. Obviously, microcap internet companies where you have much larger counterparts that are trading at billion-dollar valuations, and you have the smaller guys that do a great job, but are getting absolutely, no multiple whatsoever. So we're looking for those big arbitrages, those big segments where we actually have, quite a bit of difference between actual worth and current worth.
So tell me about your newsletter.
Well, after 5 years, we opened it up to new members again this year. I thought it was time. It's one of these things where I don't tell people that I'm going to write every week or I'm going to write every month. You may see 4 to 5 releases this year, and I want to keep it, short and pithy.
So,
It's
I mean, you look fantastic.
Every 5 years I wear a suit. And in this case, this kind of brings me back to my old days of media. I got to tell you, man, a suit is not easy to wear. And for a guy like me who sweats very easily or gets hot, it's tough. And every single time I swallow water, it hits my neckline. It's just a very odd feeling. So hopefully by tomorrow or Wednesday, I'll go back to my normal garb of sweater and comfortable pants.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get that website out, Chris.
So ldmicro.com. There will be 1 or 2 updates on the website this year, so please stay tuned.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Lahiji of LD Micro. I'm Shelley Kraft from SNNLive. We're at the 25th Annual ROTH Conference at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Laguna Beach, California. Chris, you can go surfing now.
Thank you, Shelley. Thank you, guys.